For 2025 in the London Aire, we have 4 floor plans with one new floor plan, the 4595. That's the beverage center on the inside, but I do want to show you the beautiful exterior first. This is the titanium exterior graphics and color package. You have 3 others that you can choose from or go custom. Now, one of the big changes for 2025 on the London Aire is it is now standard on the Freightliner chassis. So you can option the Spartan chassis, but it comes standard on the Freightliner. So big change for the 2025 year. Now let's check out the storage compartments. Our front storage compartment has the optional Dometic freezer refrigerator with the shelf above, so you get that extra space that's actually usable. Then we've got this shelf here. Again, they're giving us that space. It's even with the top of the chassis rail. So it makes that space much more usable. Then we have the pass-through tray, powered, and you can option that as powered or manual or no pass-through tray if you want to just have that extra space to work with. Again, the shelf here, pass-through tray. You can see the star foundation, which reinforces the chassis and takes the abuse of the road as you're traveling rather than the house. Another tray here, just a halfway tray, and then we've got our pegboard before we get to our def tank and our chassis batteries. We've optioned in the exterior TV and the 360 camera, so it's going to give you that bird's eye view as you're heading down the road. You're going to be able to see that on the beautiful dash. I'm going to show you once we go inside. Beautiful, nice new dash in the London Aire. The 2 screens under 1 panel, so it just looks nice and sleek. Also for 2025, heated and cool captain's and co-captain's chairs, so that's really nice. Then look at this beautiful interior. This is the Balboa interior. Remember, there was a lifestyle change for London Aire last year, so not a whole bunch of changes this year. Balboa interior, and then we have the Morel cabinets again with the high gloss. So you'll see the beautiful hardware, nice storage. Again, you're going to see that optioned in theater seating because it's very popular. You can also put sofas here. There's more options. Just give us a call at National Indoor RV Centers so we can show you and tell you about those options. Storage, controls for your theater seating, charging port for your theater seating, control panel. This is where I can take my TV up and down. Also notice this really cool ultra leather here on the fascia. It's just nice, has a little bit of pattern to it, looks really cool. And then we have leather now standard on our furniture and our captain's chairs in the London Aire for 2025. More storage above here. Make sure you check out the beautiful ceiling treatment as we walk into the kitchen area. Again, you're going to notice the beautiful solid surface countertops, the little splash guard here, our favorite storage drawer there, optional dishwasher, convection microwave oven, storage above. Then we've got storage here above our sink, adjustable shelf there, pull-out tray. Make sure you check out that window, our induction cooktop, nice big Blanco, which is sort of like a granite sink. This looks great with our residential faucets. Flip down here, pull out for our garbage and for our other supplies. Another pull out there. I love this for spices, really easy and accessible when you're cooking. Not sure if I already showed you that compartment, but another little adjustable shelf. And then what the 4595 is known for, this beverage center. I love it for a couple reasons. First of all, it gives you this extra counter space. You can make a little bar here, beautiful backsplash, store, kind of have your liquor cabinet above, or you can make it a little coffee bar, whatever works for you. And then the optional beverage fridge there. Across from that, we've got our dinette. So again, give us a call so we can walk you through our options. This is the booth dinette with storage below. Then of course you can extend that. So comes out nice and far, and then you've got that support leg. So you can easily get 6 people to this, or you can do the option where you've got the buffet here, where you have more space, you know, more like drawers, filing cabinet space. So it just depends on how you're going to use your coach, what works best for you. But we will help you walk you through that at National Indoor RV Centers. Again, notice the beautiful windows and all that storage from the living room into the dinette. All right, double door pantry, again with our pull-out shelves. Our divided space below. Double doors on our refrigerator and our freezer, travel lock, and another pantry, adjustable shelves. Or you can make this a wardrobe. They do have a wardrobe bar in there, so it gives you the option. Our silver leaf control panel, midship bath. So a lot more storage in there than that you would think. We've got it behind the mirror, we've got it below the vanity, and then above the window. So great half bath there you can easily get to while you're traveling. And then we head into our master bedroom. Beautiful king size bed, storage above that, nice beautiful headboard, storage below our bed. And while we've got that up, you can easily see that you've got the nightstands on either side of your bed. Now in the $45.95, they changed up our space here. So we've got our big TV here, 4 smaller drawers, look great for like socks, panties, jewelry, and then our nice big deep drawers, 6 of those. And again, we've got our emergency exit window, another window here that opens, so you're going to be able to have that cross breeze. So we have the pocket door as we go into the bathroom. Now on the pocket door, you're going to have a full length mirror so you can check out your outfit. And then as you walk into the master bathroom, we've got the optional washer and dryer. Nice big shower on the other side with 2 towel bars, beautiful tile. We have the flip up seat so you can either have that down or up. And then we've got our porcelain toilet with the push button controls. Our emergency egress door, that's an optional feature. More storage here with more wardrobe space. We have the really cool sinks here. Now, if these sinks aren't for you, give us a call at National Indoor RV Centers. We'll let you know what options you have here, and we will help you build your custom ordered coach. I do love the storage that you get behind the mirror. Here's the wire board. Very easy for technicians at National Indoor RV Centers to service your coach. And then we have all that storage there. The 2 sinks, storage below, and the 3 drawers in the center, along with more storage, adjustable shelves, another wardrobe bar, and then 3 drawers.